Hey, welcome to Roman to Yoga. I'm Casey, and today I'll be taking you through a 10-minute morning yoga sequence. So if that is of interest to you, then please keep watching. Thanks. Press your big toes together, separate your knees to mat distance, set your hips down onto your heels, and extend the arms forward. Take a big breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Draw your awareness in. Come to hands and knees and set back onto the heels, but not to stay. One breath in, return to hands and knees, exhale out, lower back onto the heels. Set this into motion at your own breath's pace. Notice that your feet aren't caving in to one another. Your navel is drawn in and up, and all of the muscles in your face are softened. Breathe in and out through your nose. Curl the toes under and slightly hover the knees. Set back onto the heels and extend the arms forward. Curl the toes under, set back onto the knees, into child's pose, and return to hands and knees. Slightly hover, and set this into motion at your own breath's pace. Warming up the body, adding on little bit of resistance. Next time you hover the knees, extend the legs long and press back into a downward dog. Pedal the feet out, hover the knees, set back onto the heels, extend the arms forward, hover the knees, extend the thighs long, press back into downward dog, pedal the feet out, return to hands and knees, and set this ulola into motion. Note that you don't have to keep up at my pace today. You can go at your own breath's pace. You can go slow, or you can pick up the pace if you want to add a little bit more heat in your practice today. Extend the right leg long, step the right foot forward in between your hands, and grab 2 blocks if you need a little bit more length. Place the hands down next to your feet, extend the thigh straight, and place a bend in the knee. Notice whenever you lengthen out the right leg, your toes point up towards the ceiling. Once again, go at your own breath's pace. If you find an area that feels good to you, pause in the practice. Continue to breathe in and out of your nose. And next time you lengthen out the leg, pause. If there's a lot of rounding in your back, grab your blocks in order to keep your back straight. Keep a micro bend in your right knee. Keep your right ankle flexed. Draw your navel in and up, and soften the muscles in your face. Extend the hips forward. Keep the top of your left feet drawn into the mat. Curl the left foot under and extend the leg long. Continue to breathe. Lower the knee down. Return to hands and knees. Curl the toes under, press back up into downward dog, lift the left leg high, and step the left leg in between your hands. Grab a block if necessary and extend and lengthen the left leg in front of you. Whenever the left leg is extended, note that your toes point towards the ceiling. When you point your toes towards the ceiling, keep your ankle flexed. You may notice a difference on your left side compared to your right. Acknowledge it. Don't pass judgment. Meet yourself where you're at today. Next time the left leg lengthens long, pause. Grab your blocks if necessary, if there is a lot of rounding in your spine. Draw your navel tight. Notice that there's a micro bend in your knee. And remember to breathe. Bend the knee. Press the hips forward. Keep your navel drawn in tight. Curl the right toes under and extend the right leg long. Breathe into the posture. You're only here for a couple of moments. Focus on the right here and the right now. Lower the knee down, step back into hands and knees, and find your way onto your back, whatever way is easiest for you. Step your feet to the wide edge of the mat. Draw your navel in and up, place your arms in T's, and lower your knees to the right as you take your gaze to the left. Lower your knees to the left as you take your gaze to the right. Set this into motion. Lift and spread the toes. Draw your navel in and up. Create space between the top and bottom rows and teeth. Next time your knees lower to the right, pick up your right foot and place it just above your left knee. Point that left knee towards the front of the room. Release the bind, lower the knees to the left, and pick up the left foot and place it just above your right knee. Keep your gaze to the right. Place the soles of your feet together and lower the knees towards the mat. Grab onto your elbows and make a circle. The circle will come down towards your navel and up above the crown of your head. Notice how your shoulders feel. Circle the arms in the opposite direction. Look to the left, look to the right. If it feels good to rest the side of your face on left or right, that's up to you. Hug the knees in and rock gently from side to side. Lengthen the legs out, let the feet turn out, relax and soften the belly. Soften the muscles in your face. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Come to a comfortable, seated position. Place your hands at heart center. And always, always commend yourself for making time for you. Namaste. Thanks, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe. Bye.